Hello everyone, it's Hanny with another junk journal I made, and I call this one pink just because the ribbons are pink. It has to have a name, so it's because I made more journals, so it's handy for me to give them names. I do a little flip through. I show you the journal and the embellishments and ephemera that's included, because I put it in my Etsy shop for sale. This is another journal, the measurements 13.5 by 21 centimeters, or in inches 5.25 by 8.25 inch. It has again 4 signatures in a twine binding, a loose binding. You can put the pages in or out. You can pull all these pages out if you want to and use them for something else. And you can put your own pages in. You can, well, change it, whatever you want. It's very easy to put them in and out. It's another cardboard cover with fabric, vintage fabric, and some embellishments on the front. A little book plate, a metal book plate, and then a little thingy, lace thingy, a metal corners, book corners, and a metal closure with ribbon, silk ribbon. Well, like I said, 4 signatures of 7 sheet each, so you have 112 pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So I'll do a flip through now. It's again some craft paper, book papers, old book papers, and homemade paper, grit paper, tea, coffee dyed papers, wallpaper. This is wallpaper. An envelope, transparent grit paper, another wallpaper, and you can put them in and out if you want to, like so. It's very easy. But if you want to have them in, well, well, they don't fall out. You see, they just stick together, all the pages. Well, where was I? Little guy here. With the wallpapers. And another piece of homemade paper doily. And wallpaper again. So, I put a little label here because of the book plate. I did the book plate afterwards. I glued, well, my marbled paper in. This I made myself, this marbled paper, and so I put a label on here because those thingies of the brads, how do you call those pins? Well, you could see them, so I glued a little label on it. Well, that's a journal. And now the embellishments and ephemera that's included. Again, another series of old playing cards, or beautiful playing cards, little ones, big ones, not big ones, but normal ones, vintage, and with beautiful pictures, an old Disney card, Coca-Cola, tickets, and a few plain labels, some photographs or photos, and some other ephemera or embellishments. Bingo card, another photo, and an old bridge card. And here I have a bag with ephemera and stuff I made myself. This is a book corner or a page corner. Not a book corner, yes, you can do it on the book itself, of course, but this is a page corner. Little envelope with pockets. You can put in here something, and there, and there. A little journaling card. Some embellishments to put on your papers or pockets or whatever. There's another one here with a cluster on it. Another envelope. You can put something in there. Label. An altered playing card. Another little tag. A little memo. Booklet. And you can put something behind here. You see? Sort of secret spot. Another label, a belly band, another embellishment or journaling card. Here another one. A few crochet buttons. Those are buttons I crocheted around. A specimen card, double-sided. A pocket, a journaling card or pocket, whatever you want. This one, and here is a pocket. A woven pocket with paper and some lace and yarn and ribbon. And here is a double pocket. And if you glue it in, you have another pocket over there, or there, with labels in it. So that's it. Embellishment, ephemera, and the journal. I put it in my Etsy shop, and well, I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.